Hey everybody, today we're going to be doing a little bitty review on a flashlight that I picked up this past year, into June, beginning of July-ish roundabouts, and that is on the Wowtac A1S. Come on, focus, focus. Almost got it. There we go. As you can see, this thing definitely seen a lot of use, a lot of wear and tear. It's been dropped, it's been kicked. Well, it's been carried everywhere, in my pocket, out of my pocket, all the great stuff. Now, I did have a little bitty issue with this a little while back, and so I did have to submit a warranty claim through Wowtac, and they're a company that's owned by ThruNite or supported via ThruNite, and I'm happy. I think these run about $29 for the A1S, and all the functions still work. What is that? Medium, high, turbo, SOS, there's low, so medium, high, turbo, SOS again, hold it down, strobe alert for those who might need the alert, hold it down, get a 1000 lumen turbo or 1100 lumens or whatever the heck it is, and back to your original setting. All those still work, clip still holding on, hasn't busted, and yeah, you guys know how rough I am, and I need to do a little cleaning on it apparently. Yeah, gets used in the shop, needless to say. Does not get babied. That was gross. So, we're going to do pretty much a nice little review, close to a year. What am I, about a month or two off, give or take. Nice thing about this is it does have a glass bezel. Let me see if I can get it to focus. And no scratches, no nicks, no nothing. Maintained awesome clarity. This thing has seen oil. I live in a... I forgot to turn the pressure washer off. But I work in a diesel shop. It is what it is. What do you do? So you always want a good bright light. Like I said, $29. Been a hell of a deal. First learned about these from Jiu-Jitsu 2000, good buddy of mine, a fellow Navy vet as well. And yeah, well, I've already talked about the specs. Grab. Box. Box came with a charging cord, gave the charging cord to another guy. Comes with spare O-rings. I still have not yet had to use them. So yeah, lows 24 lumens, mediums 140, 460 on high, turbos 1150, strobes 1150, SOS is 1150. Been a phenomenal little light. Runs off 18650 battery, and that is where we come into our little bitty warranty issue. So I'm gonna turn things around down to the cart here and show you guys what I mean. Alright, so make sure we're all in here. So the issue that I had was not with the flashlight. The issue that I had was unfortunately with the battery. There you go. Now you see that was the original battery, and it does micro USB charging. Did really well. When was this? About probably a month and a half ago. Just haven't gotten around to doing this video, so I've been holding off. And just one day it just went to plug it in. It flashed, it let the ghost out a little bit, and I unplugged it immediately, and battery was toast. Now the warranty from Wowtac is a 2-year warranty, does cover the battery, 3400 milliamp hour battery. Never had any other issues with it. Longevity wise, well, I don't know if maybe it took a really bad drop and something might have got mangled in there, but kind of is what it is. Sent them off an email on a Saturday night, and it was either the Monday or Tuesday. I gave them my Amazon order number that I had on there, or that I had ordered it off of. So, you know, the weekend plus a working day, that's actually not too bad that they got back with me. They just asked me if my mailing address was still the same and that they would get a battery out to me as soon as I got back with them. And it did take about a week and a half after I got confirmation email that it was going to be shipped out, and it did show up. Obviously on their shipping side, not as expedient, but their customer service was well answered in a very timely manner. You consider the weekend, and they probably operate out of California and wherever else for their headquarters most likely. But did send me off a brand new 3400 milliamp hour battery, and the batteries from WowTech and Through Night these are like $20 batteries. So they did follow through on their end of warranty, which is awesome. Now you're asking 2 weeks, that's a long time to go without a flashlight. Well, right after I got done sending them an email, I just went ahead and what I did was I got a set of the, what are these, I think these are 3500 milliamp hours or 3200 milliamp hours by Samsung off of Amazon. It was maybe $11 or $12 for the pair. And then I picked up a little charger. The charger was like 10 bucks or something like that. It works really good. Has a meter that'll show individually how each battery's level and charge is till it goes to complete the charge. There again, also micro USB. It was one that just had pretty decent ratings on it, so I picked it up. It was the right price and seems to be doing very well with these. The Samsung batteries themselves, not necessarily micro USB rechargeable as that one is, does not have the built-in, but with this I can still use my truck, USB power outlet, anything else that you need to go ahead and charge your batteries. But overall, I've been happy with everything. Been happy with my charger here. Been using that past month or two, or whenever the heck that all went down. Happy that they were relatively prompt. They were prompt on their email response with their customer service. So top notch there, WowTech. Just the shipping, yep, well, it's a warranty claim. It took a little while. Not as expedient as some other companies out there, but it didn't take me a month or two to get it, if you guys know what I mean there. But overall, still running the original O-ring on this guy. O-ring's still good. Probably need to do some more cleaning, as you can see around the edge there, but it's still holding together. Still doing an awesome job. Still really clear. Focus isn't cooperating. But yeah, I'll put some links to this stuff down in Amazon below. The Samsung batteries that I got. This flashlight in particular. Yeah, the paint job, it's been used and it's been worn, but for being, 9-10 months old now, that's not too bad for heavy shop use day in, day out. Definitely worth the money. So $30 well spent. And with these guys, the kit and caboodle with the Samsung, I decided to go Samsung in particular just due to their reputation. All this stuff's working awesome. If you guys got any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments section. As always, remember, shop safety is just as important as firearm safety. If you screw something up, somebody could die, and I've heard these make really good lights mounted to an AR or other firearm, should you so need it. But either way, great shop light, good tool. Thanks, guys.